everybody. Hi, welcome. Thank you so much for choosing to spend a little bit of your day with me and my furry sidekicks. Wyatt's the white puppy dog. Xena is the brown puppy dog who I had to give treats so she would behave appropriately while I filmed this segment. I am Laura. If you are new, if you're returning, thank you, thank you, thank you. I so appreciate it. Kicking off outfit of the day, what I wore video where I chronicle a week of outfits. And today is Sunday. It is my get stuff done day. And I do tend to do filming, house stuff, as well as I am traveling the beginning of the week. So I also have to pack. So lots to do today. I tend to pick a comfy casual outfit. It is also snowing, so Mother Nature does not realize it's spring. It is not winter anymore, and we have, like, you cannot see grass. We have enough snow to completely cover the grass. It is still snowing, 28 degrees outside, and it looks like winter. I feel like bad for little birdies, and it's not pretty. It's not pretty at all. Oh my. All right, so I chose an outfit for today that I'll be able to easily get in and out of because I do have a box right here we're going to film very soon here. I have on joggers from the Loft. They are blue and gray. Paired it with this pretty sweater from Venus. No shoes today. And my only jewelry is these hoops, which I think I picked up at... I'm going to go with the Loft. I think I picked these up at the Loft. And that's my outfit for today. Zena's just chewing away on the sweet potato fries that one of my amazing subscribers got for her. So she likes to just chew on those. So that is a wrap on Sunday's outfit of the day. I hope you check out this week's, which would be last week's. Now, by the time you see this, last week's What I Wore video. Hope you have an amazing start to your week, and we'll be back tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Monday morning. I am off. It is still dark outside, and the gang is all here though. Even Xena got up for outfit of the day today, didn't ya? All right, so it is snowing still, which is ridiculous. 21 degrees outside, quite lovely, isn't it? I love that on a drive day. And I chose for today, because I'm in the office, a pair of Loft denim. This is the girlfriend denim I shared in my last haul. Paired it with a Loft top because I'm still feeling like I got to bring the spring vibes. And then this awesome blazer, which I believe is by Evereve, and I got it in a Trendsend. I'm in love with it because it's got all the pretty colors through it. So it's got the pink and the blue and a little bit of orange. So I felt like this would still bring the vibes, the spring vibes, right? And then I love you, Z. For shoes, I just put on booties because I can't show the toes yet. So these are just my Vince Camuto you've seen before, but I know they're comfy for all day wear. My Ana Luisa necklace I'm in love with. This is actually part of that summer set. I love this. I keep wearing it as a Y necklace, even though it's supposed to be one of the layers in the summer set, but I love it this way. My earrings are just gold hoops, and my rings are my Ana Luisa ring, which is the top one, and the bottom one is a Rocksbox ring. And that's my outfit for today. And we are off. So I hope you have a fabulous day, and we'll be back tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody. It is Tuesday. No, what day is this? Yeah, Tuesday, right? I don't even know. It is Tuesday morning. Got to get to work. It is a cold day. It snowed for most of my ride to work. 25 degrees outside. 25. It's going to get up to 43 though, so it's looking up. And so I got to get to work. I have on White House Black Market trouser jeans, paired it with my cashmere sweater from Lily Silk, you might remember. My Cabi blazer that I am in love with. This is so comfortable, so it'll be great for all day as well as my drive home. Put on some pearls and gold layered necklace here that I got, I think, a very long time ago at the Limited, if you even remember that store. My earrings are the same gold hoops from yesterday. My rings are the same from yesterday as well. And then for shoes, I put on my Kork-Ease that I wore not too long ago. I just put on these little mules, slingback mules. I love these. They're comfortable. I know I probably shouldn't have open heels because it's so cold outside, but I thought, what the heck? It's spring. It's still spring. And that's my outfit for today. All right. I hope everyone has a good one, and I'll be back tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It is Wednesday. I'm back home with the sidekicks, and it is, let's see, 45 degrees outside after it was a cold start to the week. I think it's going to get a little bit warmer and then get cold again. But we'll take a little bit warmer for a little while. Let's see. Monday, my Wantable style box posted. And for the most part, you guys really liked it. And now I'm kind of feeling like maybe I missed out. So I think that I liked it. I didn't love it. So the cream sweater was kind of staticky. The jacket was really cute, but I tend not to grab for those. The dress was super cute. I agree with all of you, but I think I'm not ready. If that makes any sense. Like I'm not ready yet for all of that. And I keep thinking other dresses will come. And so what I ended up doing, which I probably don't need, is I just kept the denim because I love the straight leg and I wear jeans all the time right now, to keep my styling, to not lose my styling fee. So I don't know. Now I'm wondering if I did the right thing, but that's what I did. All right, so that's what I did for that. Then let's see, my Glossy Box posted Tuesday. Hope you check that out. I just love Glossy Box. It's like such an amazing beauty subscription. I'm in love with it. My Sleep and Body Wantable post today and my Your Bijou box. So I hope you checked that one out. Such a fun bee collection with Your Bijou box. She does such an amazing job with those. I really loved my Wantable Sleep and Body collection this time. It was just amazing. Unfortunately, that adorable, beautiful, silky sleep set was not available in the next size up. So I had to send it back, which means I didn't keep the robe because it didn't match. So I didn't have 5 items. So what I did keep was the little panties and the cute shorts. So those little striped shorts, but I sent them back to get the next size up so they'd be comfortable because I thought those were really nice. So you're all caught up in my boxes now. Let's talk outfit of the day. For today, I have on my Agolde denim from a very early Trendsend. These might be one of the earliest first Agoldes I ever got. I love them. And they are all broken in to fit me, so they feel amazing on. They are a button fly, and I think they also started like the straight leg trend when they started to convert. So they're probably a little bit more skinny, but they're not tight at the ankle. And then I paired it with a Treasure and Bond top from Nordstrom, and my jacket is Marrakech, also from a Trendsend. My necklace is Loft. I have a ring on from Stella and Dot. My earrings are just gold hoops. And that's my shoes. My shoes are my Dolce Vita mules, seen as being obnoxious. My Dolce Vita mules, also from a Trendsend. And that's my outfit for today. So I hope you are having a great week, and we'll be back tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, almost Happy Dance Day. It is 68 degrees outside. It's super windy though. This is like as warm as it's gonna get, and then we're gonna like drop. And then tomorrow I don't think it's gonna be this warm, but we'll take it. We will take it. The gang is all here, but I think they think I'm like doing a full-blown video, but I'm not. We're here for outfit of the day for Thursday. And you ever wake up and you're just not in the mood? I feel like that was my day. I woke up and I'm like, ugh, I'm tired, not in the mood. I'm not sure what I was in the mood for, but I just wasn't in the mood. Maybe it was to get out of bed. So for today, I chose a skies are blue sweater from a Wantable. It's nice and comfy and easy. Paired it with Liverpool denim. These are skinnies. Girls, don't get rid of your skinnies because we have reached a brand new era where all the leg styles are now in, and I am loving it. I love it. You love your skinnies, wear your skinnies. You like your wide leg, wear your wide leg. You like a crop, wear the crop. You want a straight, wear the straight. It's amazing. I love it. So you wear what you think looks best for your body type, or just wear them all. Wear them all. So I love it. Absolutely love it. This particular pair I got in a mix and match box. If you all remember mix and match, which I love, but they are no more. Put it on with my Kork-Ease you guys have seen already this week. Another love of mine. These are like the greatest, and they're super comfortable. And my necklace is White House Black Market. I've had for a while. My earrings are just my hoops. My ring is Anna Luisa. Love this one. I think it's the Nolan ring. Nola? Can't remember. I think that's the name of it. And I think that's it for today. So I'll be excited to see you all tomorrow. We can celebrate Happy Dance Day. And we'll do that, right, Z? You ready to do it now? I think she's just ready for treats, right? Yes. All right. We'll see you tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It's Friday. Woohoo! If you made it to Friday again, YY, and the sun is shining, but it is super windy outside. Zena will blow away, huh? It's so windy outside. There's Zena. She doesn't want to do happy dance today, I guess. No happy dance, Easy? Well, we're happy it's Friday. We made it through another week. Very busy, busy, busy week. Oh, YY. You like happy dance? Right, you do. Yes, you do. It is, let's see, 39 degrees outside. There's Zena for happy dance. It's supposed to get up into the mid-40s, or maybe it was already there, I actually think. It's getting cooler out now, huh? And let's see, my JB Style box posted today. And I thought it was a really good one because she sent me stuff I liked. It was like a bonus box because I had saw their fashion show, and I asked for a few items. And let's see, I kept the vacay sweater, in love with it. Kept this amazing colorful cardi. This one was by BB Dakota. I kept the blazer. And I kept these amazing beach shoes, love, which I put the link in that video because Nordstrom has them in many, many colors. These are so awesome. Only $38. And they're very comfortable. Very comfortable. It didn't hurt my feet. Fit really good. Didn't cut me at the toes. And they come in like many colors. I actually picked up the black and the yellow, but they have like pink and blue and lots of fun, fun, fun colors. So if you're looking for a beach, pool, vacation shoe, this is the kind where you could just throw these in your bag and go, or just wear them, you know, every day. And you don't really, like, you're not going to feel bad if you like beat them up, you know. All right, that was my JB Style box. And let's see, for today's outfit, I have on, let's see, denim by Paige. Love these. My jacket is and I think I bought these on my own during the Nordstrom sale. Zena's trying to rush me. My jacket is by Liverpool, and I got it, I think, back whenever I was still getting my mix and match boxes, so I think we talked about that earlier this week as well. And let's see, my top is one I got from Nordstrom. So soft and comfy. I have on a necklace from my most recent Rocksbox. My earrings are Leah Sophia. My rings are a mix. I think they're, this little one is still in dot. I know the middle, this one here is Rocksbox. And I think the one on the end is Leah Sophia. My bracelet is from the Evereve store. And then I have on my silver mules that are Sarto. And that's my outfit for today. All right. Happy Friday. And I'll see you tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey, everybody. It is Saturday, final day for outfit of the day. I've caught you up on all my box keepers. Today, a spring transition haul just posted. I hope you catch it. It is 34 degrees outside. It's supposed to get up to 54. Spring is trying to come. Only why it's joining me today, Zena decided to stay in bed. I don't join her. I don't blame her. I would like to join her. It is earlier in the morning than I typically do this because I'm off to breakfast with my friend. For today, I chose a pair of oat denim from a Wantable, a Michael Stars t-shirt that does bring the spring vibes from a, excuse me, Trendsend. I'm like, I want to be all comfy today, so I didn't even do a front tuck. I actually tied it off to the side, so I wasn't dealing with a front tuck. I have on an Evereve bralette underneath here. Hopefully you guys can kind of see that. I love these. This is also like the perfect kind of t-shirt bra if you want to make sure it's seamless. So keep that in mind. Evereve bralettes are amazing. My jacket is by Mac Studio, also from Wantable. Shoes, Vince Camuto. I've had these for quite some time. In love. Yes, I'm showing the toes, even though the weather probably isn't quite there yet. For jewelry, I have on earrings that I got from an amazing subscriber a couple Christmases ago. How pretty are these? I opted out of a necklace since my earrings are so amazing. Rings, the top one is from Luisa, the bottom one is Rocksbox, and my bracelets are from a Trendsend. Yeah. I did say my t-shirt was from a Trendsend, right? That's my outfit for today. I will list all my outfits down below. If I can link to a specific item, I will. Many come from boxes, so I will put a link directly to the boxes as well. I hope you enjoyed this. I so enjoyed sharing it with you. Please tell me what your favorite outfit was for this week. All right, so that's a wrap. What do you think? What? That's a wrap. Hit that like before you go. Would love you to hang out for the long haul and hit that subscribe if you haven't already. I have the most amazing subscribers, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.